Hey everyone, welcome to Weekly Freedom Assignment number 3. Today we're going to be talking about major pentatonic scales. So we're going to take a little break from the chords. That's going well for you. We're going to stay in the key of A, and we're going to learn two great patterns that are really conducive, really helpful for making music and not just playing scales. So they sound like this. Oh, and we've got logic here in the background, so we're going to record a backing track. We're gonna have fun. We're gonna jam over it. It's gonna be great, and I'll include that with this lesson. So here are the patterns. I call them the major pentatonic diagonal patterns. So you may be familiar with the pentatonic boxes. These things. And those are absolutely worth learning. You should definitely practice them. Really helpful. But you can also play them like this. And then the same thing up here, this A shape here. So those two patterns, and you can play it even higher too, are really, really nice for improvising, for soloing. You're moving around the fretboard, you're going up and down, you get some slides and stuff in there, and it just sounds great. So I thought what we do is we're going to record a quick backing track, play over it, and then we'll walk slowly through these pentatonic scale patterns. I'm going to switch my pick to something thinner. All right, let's see if I can put myself on the spot here and record something. Okay. That should work. Loop it. We should be good to go. All right, so I'm going to play over it a little bit, and then we'll talk through it. And I'll just use those two patterns. I'll try not to cheat. On the spot, I can do this. That'll give you a little feel for it. So here's what's going on. These patterns, they just work so great because they've got this built-in slide here. So you've got A, B, C sharp. Now just slide into that C sharp. And then go up to the next string, E, F sharp, and A. That's the pattern. slide down to the B. A really great kind of built-in lick for these diagonal patterns. But let's walk through them slowly so you can practice. So this would be the assignment, is to be able to play these two scale patterns up and down in both positions. So it starts on open A, B on the 2nd fret, C sharp on the 4th fret, just walking up the major scale. Then go to the next string, E, 2nd fret, then go up a whole step to F sharp, and then you're back to A on the 3rd string. And there'll be a PDF for this also. Now you're here on A again, and you just do the same pattern. Walk up the scale, all in the same string, A, B, C sharp. And then E is going to now be on the 5th fret here. And then go up a whole step, and then A again. And then back down. Now, find this A shape right here. Find your A note, and it's the exact same pattern. A, B, C sharp, right up the major scale. Go up the next string. It's going to be on the 7th fret, E. Go up a whole step to F sharp, and then you're back to A. And then repeat the pattern. And then this A, you've got to shift forward. Or use your fingers. You can use either finger. A is right there on the 10th fret. So you got these two patterns. Now if you can play those two things, look at all that area you're covering on the fretboard. It's pretty cool. It's very fun. Then you can connect them right here. Sorry. So instead of going to A here, go here. Find that A on the 10th fret, and then you're in the next position. So two patterns, you've got almost the whole neck there. But what makes these great, as I alluded to before, is this kind of built-in slide that is just really, really fun to play. So slide into the C sharp. Do it again here. And then when you go down, slide to B. Now up the 2nd position. That's it, and you can start making some great music with that. I'd like to point out too, so this is A also, so you can continue the pattern up if you want. Oops. So yeah, that's all you need to get started. So when you go to solo or improvise, you want to start thinking in short phrases, almost like you're talking. You say something, and then see how it inspires you. Say it again, maybe change something, maybe play it in a different octave. But don't just run up and down the scale. Do that to get the notes under your fingers, and then try to make music with it. So here's what we'll do. I'm going to hit play on this. I'll play some ideas, and we'll kind of talk through them, and I'll demonstrate some of them here. So here we go. that. Give me a new channel. There we go. Bear with me. Nice. Okay, so I'll play an idea. We'll stop. We'll talk about it. We'll learn it. So that's cool. So all I did there is, that's kind of my statement idea. And then right into the slide lick. And you've said something musically at that point. And then I tried to say the same thing, but change the rhythm a little bit. I forget exactly what I did, but you get the idea. All right, let's do another one. Let's see what comes here. Not that crazy about that, but I like that. That first part, at least. That's nice. How can we make that better? You could do it up the octave. Let's try another, see what happens. So I like that. I like it connecting the two. So instead of this, it sounds okay, but this kind of sounds cool. And then just keep sliding it up. Let's do another here. I like that. So what I was thinking there is just this little idea. Something like that. Then repeat the idea, but continue it up the scale. What I did, but I always forget what I do. That's okay. Hopefully you're getting some out of this. All right, let's do one more, and then we'll call it here. So again, you're going to hear a lot of the same stuff here. I already forgot what I did. Huh. It's all right. We're having fun, right? That's the idea. It's really the same lick kind of twice. Just that slide up to A, and then you do it again. So hopefully you're seeing the usefulness of this diagonal scale. Oop, I got that thing on the screen. So give that a try, and I'll just play a little bit just to end the video. And as always, let me know if you have any questions at all. I'll be more than happy to help. And yeah, happy practicing. Anyway, having fun there. Turn that reverb off. Thanks for being a part of this community, and I hope you enjoy this lesson. Let me know if you have any questions. I'll include the PDF and the backing track for you. See you next time.